Good morning, you gorgeous lot. Happy Monday, Meditation Monday. Just had to check the date then. It's the 29th. It's nearly the end of August. Bank holiday weekend in the UK. And I'm feeling very guided to just have a little bit of Archangel energy to start the week with. Just to kind of settle into the groove, whatever the end of August and the beginning of September is going to bring us. And Archangel Mariel has stepped forwards. Now, Archangel Mariel works upon the Magenta Ray, and the Magenta Ray is beautiful. As I'm speaking, just close your eyes and allow this energy to start surrounding you. As soon as you think about or invoke or set your intention to connect with the spiritual energy, you will be connected to that vibration, that frequency. So just close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Might be late at night where you are, you might just be waking up. Close your eyes, breathe into your heart, and start to see yourself surrounded with beautiful, vibrant, very bright magenta light. And the particular frequency of magenta that's coming through this morning is so vibrant, so bright, so pure. Might even have a little bit of a hint of diamond energy in it. So see and feel that. You can either surround yourself with it, you can breathe it into your lungs. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out, relax. You can say either out loud or in your head, I, your name, now invoke the Magenta Ray and Archangel Mariel. I now invoke the Magenta Ray and Archangel Mariel. I now invoke the Magenta Ray and Archangel Mariel. Now, Archangel Mariel steps down from Orion, which is one of the most high frequency places. It's one of the most esteemed, well experienced, well established ascension platforms in the cosmos. They've done so much work, and they did it long before many of the other parts of the aspects of the galactic stepped up. Orion holds cosmic wisdom on a massive level. And Archangel Mariel holds this. So as you are breathing, relaxing, just maybe sit there and feel the magenta ray around you lighting up the cells of your body, assisting you to connect with your heart, to access your inner wisdom, lighting up the cells of your body, literally lighting up the cells of your body. You almost might feel like this popcorn sensation as the magenta ray connects with you. And just feel Archangel Mariel standing behind you with his hands upon your shoulders. And if you have any troubles, any fears, any woes at this time, maybe just relax back and just allow Archangel Mariel to just take those from you, alchemize them for you. You might feel them lifting from your bodies and fields, just like sheets of tissue paper just flying away. It's a powerful alchemy and process. The second you connect with an archangel's energy, any of the rays that they are connected with, any of the flames, your frequency just rises and rises and rises. So just relax into that. Archangel Mariel has got you this morning. He's holding you. Just allow any lower frequencies, any worries, any points of focus that you might have to just completely flow away. Now, physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually, the magenta ray in all its effervescence is now flooding through your bodies and your fields. Breathe it in. Feel it lighting up your 15 chakras from your solar junction all the way down to the Earth Star below the soles of your feet. Feel everything aligned everything unified, everything in place, your divine lines, your meridians, all aspects of you, just functional as they should be, fifth dimensional, completely intact. And in particular, your heart is lighting up with the light of Archangel Mariel. That magenta is working on the pure white and the gold and the pink of your heart center. Breathe it in. And as you breathe out, feel the light of your heart beginning to expand, and it starts to move upwards. The light of your heart center, with each breath, moves upwards and upwards until it touches and ignites the soul star chakra, 18 inches above the top of your head. To take a few moments to sense and see this, the outside of your soul star will match the frequency and the colour that Archangel Mariel is holding and vibrating on, because Archangel Mariel oversees the development, the opening and the structure of the soul star chakra. See that colour matching the Archangel's vibration, but with a blue centre, this beautiful blue sapphire centre. Now Archangel Mariel has one hand upon your shoulder and another hand upon the soul star chakra, 18 inches above the top of your head. As you breathe and relax, your gifts, your talents, your master wisdom, all your spiritual attributes are being activated fully. Now we are in a time where our ascension mission is being fully presented as an opportunity for us. All of the things that we have achieved in our past lives, all of the master lives, all of the wisdom that we have learned, we are now being given the opportunity to re-access this, to bring it into our current incarnation, to bring it to the ascension table. So if you're not familiar with this process, just allow Archangel Mariel to light up, open your soul star for you fully. And just be willing and accepting for the gifts, your spiritual gifts and talents, not somebody else's, yours, to begin to flow and reconnect to you. And as your soul star opens, you might actually see within it, you might see a corridor. And this corridor is lined by doors. Some of them are open and some of them are shut. The ones that are opened are the ones that are already feeding into your ascension process from a high level. The shut ones, you are now welcome to just maybe reach in and begin to open them. There might be many doors that are already open, or there might just be a few. You can invite Archangel Mariel to step in with you and actually help you and assist you to begin to open these doorways. And your soul star is also the entrance to the halls of Amenti. And the halls of Amenti are the vast cosmic library where all of the masters of the universe, all of the high frequency souls have all placed what they have learnt in this huge library. And you are part of that library. So breathe and relax and just focus on the reclamation of your spiritual gifts and talents, the things that you have incarnated here to bring through. And so Archangel Mariel, with one hand gently upon your shoulder and another upon your soul star chakra, is just allowing the flow of energy to start to come through to you. This might be a familiar process to you, it might be something that you've done regularly. It is due to step up. Or it might be new, in which case just take it easy, allow this stuff to come back. It will integrate with perfect clarity into whatever you are focused on, whatever you are doing. And now just focus once again upon your heart. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just be aware of Archangel Mariel stepping back, and take a few moments to thank him. And just feel and sense into your bodies and fields for a few moments. Feel that gorgeous magenta light. You can, with your eyes closed, see it shining through the cells of your body, through your chakras. See it surrounding you like a cloak. Just ask Archangel Mariel to place a cloak of the Magenta Ray around you, to fill you full of soul wisdom, with love, to connect you to your heart center, and also connect you to the skills, the gifts and the talents that are contained within your soul star that are being returned to you for this incarnation. Okay? And just say thank you to Archangel Mariel, which returns to his aspect of the universe, to the cosmos. And when you are ready, just return fully into your body, fully lit up, and open your eyes. Your hands rub together, rub your feet on the floor, and get ready to start your week. So much is coming back to us now. We are privy to sight and information and knowledge that wasn't available previously, or if it was, we maybe didn't understand it on the level that it is being presented. And all of this just effortlessly moves its way into our process. So be ready to receive. Open your heart, be ready to receive. Also be ready to step up and into your role if you are requested to do so or offered the opportunity. It's going to be a grand 3 months. Sending you all lots of love. I will see you with Mia Kathlios on Wednesday night for the healing and the resetting of the relationship template, which is going to be a very beautiful, very interesting and powerful workshop. You can join us with the details below this video. And if I don't see you there, I will see you on Friday for an Ascension update. Bye for now.